Hi guys, and what's up everybody? Hope you've been fine, you've been doing fantastic. As for me here, I am doing exactly fine, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a house tour. It's a 3-bedroom house tour, master and suite, but by bad luck one bedroom has been locked, so we are going to be doing it as a 2-bedroom house tour. So keep it locked, and if you have not subscribed, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and join this channel. So to start with is this entrance. The door is metallic, and that's the way it is up to the floor. Then from there, next to it, you have this artificial plant and a switch. So just that's it, the view kwa entrance. So kutoka hapo, let's go this way. And here you find a 2-seater couch. It's a Chester seat design couch. Then you have your curtains. So the theme here, actually, here there's maroon, there's blue, there's beige. So I don't know, but yeah, these are the curtains. This is maroon, and then the print of this bado, the print of it is a shade of maroon and gray, and a sheer there. So kwa couch kuna throw pillow ya yellow, and that's the view on that side. So from the side, we head on straight on next. There you have this 2-seater, actually it's a 3-seater Chester seat, and you have those 2 throw pillows. Then next to it you have this bado ni Chester designer seats, and hivyo tu, like hakuna much to see, there's no much to focus. Then from there, in the middle you have this artificial plant that is placed on this table. So that's just it. Then down there kuna this mat or carpet that is there. So generally that's the view from where I am. So before we finish with the sitting area, let's see the entertainment area. So it's just right next to the door. So before we get to the entertainment area, kuna this table or the side drawer. Oh no, it's not a side drawer, it's a side table. Imekuja obviously na the table. Then from there kuna this TV stand, iko tu hivyo, so simple, and then it's just white in color. On top of it there kuna your router, kuna remote, kuna extension, kuna is it the speakers, and then on top there is our television. Yeah, so that's it. And next to it is, I guess this is a home theater. Kai, hebu niambieni, mimi sijui na nimesahau kuuliza na mwenyewe ametoka. So yeah, mtajionea tu kwa macho. That's how it is. Ndio hiyo the view on top. So that's it. And then iko placed kwa hiyo table, another side a small ka stool. Then bado next there kuna the artificial plant. So that's generally it on the entertainment area. So going back, acha tu niwape overview. Alafu huku juu kuna these lights na kuna hii another light, and then bado iko on that wall as you can see. So that's it. And then the top hivyo ndio iko na that simple chandelier. So that's the view of it. So heading straight from the sitting area, there's this dining area, and as you can see, the seats are gold in color. The table is white, and it's a shade of, sijui any shade ya blue ama ni green, I'm not sure, but this is beige. And then on the dining table there's this artificial plant, and then this table mats that ziko in design of leaves. Yeah, so inakaa too pretty. So that's the view. So actually hii unakumbuka pale tulikuwa kwa Chester seats. So immediately from the Chester seats or from the sitting area is where you find your dining area of 4. Then next to it here is your water dispenser. So ukimaliza kukula, you just stretch your hand and fetch your glass of water. Yes, mimi ni mwembu. Yeah. So that's it. Let me give you an overview of it. So from your sitting area, that's it. Hivyo ndio inakaa. Okay, so from your sitting area and the dining area, kuna this hallway. It's very big, very huge. Hapa hata mtu anaweza weka decor things, unaweza weka shura, unaweza weka anything. And the one thing I love about this house is the color of tiles. They are so simple, no a lot of things. So let's just head straight to the kitchen. And on our left hand side is where the kitchen is. So immediately you enter, this is the look, but let's just start from somewhere. So you have your 6 burner cooker and you're here hapo, and next to it it's connected to the cylinder. Then upper is where the cooking pots are. Hazikuwa zimekwa into place, but at least they are clean. And you have your microwave next there. Generally hii ndio view. So hiyo yote ukiangalia, it's your working counter space. Below there kuna storage area, and above there there's more storage area. So from that side tunakuja, on this other side is where the fridge has been placed. So ndio here. Okay, it's a Vitron fridge, yeah. Don't ask me, I've been shocked, like I've never seen a Vitron fridge, but yes, that's it. Then from the fridge area kuna sink area, ndio hiyo, it's a double sink. Below kuna a storage area, and above there kuna more storage area. So in case you you find a house around here, by the way, I do house hunting around this. Like if you want such houses, just contact me, and I'll be sure I'll get a house for you. And then here there's this extra dispenser, it's there. Alafu huku sijui kama mnaona, hapa ni storage area, ni cleaning area, like laundry area, but hatutafungua cause hakuna mengi ya kuona girl. So that's it with the kitchen. Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Okay, from there you can see hapa wameka very simple chandelier. So actually I'm loving the details. Hawakuacha, like they made sure that the finishing was okay. So from the kitchen, let's head straight to our first bedroom. And yeah, hapa at least okay, color tiles imechange. So when I enter straight, you find this bed. It's a Chester bed, white red theme color, umekewa towels, and then there's slippers there. On this side you have your side drawer, yes, and then above hapo kuna curtains. They have been drawn for natural light to get in. Pia kuna side lamps, ama zinaitwa what, yeah, that one iko pale. Then pale uko na bed switch, and your storage area is on this side, and it's enough. Then the color of the closets, they are good, at least not the very common brown things. These are very good storage wardrobe. So from there, let's go to the next bedroom, and hivyo tu ndio iko unaingia. Kuna Ukishaingia you find this maybe place unaketi ukivaa viatu, uko na towel yako hapo. The bed has been spread and that's the bed. Again, the curtains similar to like the whole curtains of the house. On this side pia umepewa a side drawer bed, a bedside drawer. Yes. Alafu bado kuna side lamps and the chandelier there bado iko too gorgeous. And then the wardrobes, guys, the storage area here is enough. So actually this room is an ensuite, so let me just take you straight to the washroom. So ukiingia, the first thing kuna this sink, hapo ndio unafanya your washing. Alafu down here kuna storage area, yeah, like that's the storage area. Alafu on top, guys, that's me. Yeah, hapo uko na mirror, bado uko na another place here to like store your things. And that's just it. Ndio hiyo hapo, you have your bidet there, your toilet seat, tissues, and like the essentials to the washroom. So that's it. Okay, I forgot to show you this art. And it's a very beautiful, smart, very, very gorgeous. So yeah, ukiingia, hiyo ndio art. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Okay, ukitoka hiyo room, hapa kuna this sink ni ya kuosha mikono, and here is where the common cloak room is. So ndio hiyo kishafungua, this is now the common. Nakumbuka hiyo room tumetoka, it was an ensuite. So this is the common cloak room. Ni just similar, the only difference ni yeah, hapo kumeharibika, hata sikuwa nimeona, but yes, at least kuna storage area. Na tu ndio hiyo where you wash your hands. So that's it, guys. This is the other room that I was telling you about, because it's a 3-bedroom, but unfortunately it has been locked, so we have no access. It's being used like a store, so that's why imefungwa. So guys, that has been it for this 3-bedroom house tour, but let's just call it a 2-bedroom house tour. If you have not subscribed to my channel at this time, sijui mnangoja nini, so kindly subscribe. If you would want more of this content, if you want me to feature your house, feel free to contact me. And actually this house is an Airbnb, so in case you would want, in case you know someone who wants a place to stay in, I'm going to leave my handles there. Just DM me and nitawapea contacts this person or how you can access this house. So till we meet in our next videos, kwaherini.